All right, guys, so now with the duct tape hinge, we went ahead and sandwiched that in there. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and install that on our door. All right, now you wanna make sure that it's gonna open and close before you attach it to the wall. Just kind of pressing my tape down there a little bit. Dad, can you push it from that side? Okay, so now that we know, we're gonna press this down here and press that there, and then press that there. Now with the door closed, close it again, we can install the molding. When the door popped open. Okay, so because my threshold down here has a little bit that comes inward, I had to notch out the corner of my balsa wood. All right, I'm gonna get some crazy glue and I'll be right back. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and attach my trim, and I'm gonna make it even with the edge of the interior. Just hold it there for a second for it to dry or to catch. And be careful when you're working with the balsa that you don't accidentally hit it in anything or like press on it too hard, because it will dent the wood. All right, now you want to go ahead and attach the next piece on the other side, making it even with that edge of that door frame.
There's a piece of balsa, you can show them how easily it dents.
Yeah, wait a minute, Dad. All right, so I'm just gonna hold that there for a second until it catches. Let me actually put a little bit more glue on this one. It absorbed into the wood too quickly. Try not to get it stuck to your fingers in the process. All right, so now you want to go ahead and put some crazy glue at the top of there and the top of there, and then you want to run a bead across the top piece of wood. And then you want to set it in place without your fingers getting stuck.
Don't stick your finger.
All right, and then that's it. Now let it dry. All right, in the meantime, this is a piece of balsa wood, okay? This is how easy it will dent. You don't really need to do any pressure to it. So when choosing your wood, make sure that you know what kind of wood you want, because balsa is great for some things, but it's also pretty terrible when it comes to durability and denting. However, if you put some water on that, it may pull it back out just a little bit. All right, so you could try that if you actually dent it, but don't use too much water, because then you'll have a mess. Or a warped piece of wood.
One little drop will do it.
Yep, one drop. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful, and hopefully you guys like this door with the duct tape hinge. And Again, this door is going all the way down to the floor with the glass because that's the way doors are when you go to restaurants and stuff. Okay, like and subscribe, leave a question, suggestion, or comment below. Click the bell if you want to get notified, and if you want free printables, including free furniture templates and like printable computers, furniture, like clocks and stuff like that, go on dollhousetutorials.com. You can get them there for free. All right, thanks a lot. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.